Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a deep dive into what we believe is the best GPS navigation system with maps, the LandAirSea Overdrive GPS tracker. If you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting, and globally capable tracking solution for your vehicle, trailer, equipment, or any valuable asset, this one might just be the top contender. Let's kick things off with its standout feature, the extended life battery. The Overdrive doesn't just last for days. It can run for weeks, even months depending on usage and update frequency. This extended power capacity makes it perfect for long-term deployment without the need for constant recharging. Whether you're monitoring a shipping container across the ocean or a classic car in storage, battery anxiety won't be a problem here. Now let's talk build quality. This tracker is built to endure. It's magnetic, it's waterproof, and it's rugged. That means you can attach it securely to any metallic surface, the undercarriage of a vehicle, inside a trailer, on heavy equipment, and not worry about the elements. Rain, dust, snow, the Overdrive keeps tracking. Setup is incredibly simple. Straight out of the box, this device is ready to go. It connects to your mobile device or desktop via the LandAirSea app, which supports real-time global tracking. That's right, not just local, not just national, global tracking in over 155 countries. Whether you're tracking business fleet vehicles in the US or monitoring cargo in Europe, the Overdrive is fully equipped for the job. One of the best parts of this system is how seamlessly it integrates with its app. You can view your assets live on a map, set up alerts for movement, boundaries, or speed violations, and generate historical tracking reports. It's not just about knowing where something is, it's about knowing where it's been, how it got there, and when. For commercial users, this is a huge advantage. Fleet managers can monitor vehicle activity, reduce unauthorized use, and improve logistics. Equipment rental businesses can keep tabs on where high-value machines are located at all times. Even families who want extra peace of mind for teen drivers or elderly loved ones can benefit from the Overdrive's powerful yet user-friendly features. Another key advantage is its discreet design. It's compact, black, and inconspicuous, making it easy to hide or install without drawing attention. That's a crucial benefit when you want tracking without tipping anyone off. To sum it up, the LandAirSea Overdrive GPS tracker stands out as a top-tier GPS navigation system thanks to its unbeatable battery life, tough and versatile build, simple setup, and global real-time tracking capabilities. Whether you're a business owner looking to safeguard your assets or an individual who values safety and control, this device delivers what it promises: reliable, intelligent, and secure tracking. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest, in-depth product breakdowns. Let us know in the comments if there's a tracker or tech product you want us to review next. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.